Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake this journey to the Basilica of Born Jesus. This is their story.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ashwin. I'm from Jharkhand. So I started when I heard about this experiment. I was very excited. I wanted to have the experience first to walk a long distance without carrying anything, fully depending on God, and second, to stay out without having a shelter. So I had a wonderful experience in these 3 days. But initially, I had a difficulty asking people for food. But slowly, when I saw the generous heart of people, the difficulty of mine went away, and I was able to ask, and that helped me to grow in the virtue of humility. So in these 3 days, taught me many things, being outside, having nothing, and walking a long distance. In these 3 days, I had a good time with my companion who helped me to grow in humility, because he was the one who accompanied me these 3 days and who helped me how to be humble. So he is the one who taught me to be away from my shyness, because this is the one thing which was a big obstacle for me to ask for something, and that was the shyness that used to keep me away from to have that great experience which was after that. The beautiful experience I had meeting the people when they used to come to know that we are walking a long distance, they used to feel pity for us, and they used to offer a generous heart for us. They used to even a little they used to give happily, and that was nice experience I had in these 3 days.